Hey everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the Samsung Wallet swipe up action in 2025. Whether you want to customize it or completely disable it, I'll walk you through the fastest way to do it. First, make sure your Samsung Wallet app is updated to the latest version. Once you're ready, open the app and tap on the menu in the top right corner. From there, head into Settings and look for the Quick Access section, usually at the very top. Inside Quick Access, you can control how the swipe up gesture works. You can choose to enable it or disable it for the lock screen, home screen, or even when your screen is off. Simply toggle the options according to your preference and everything will be saved automatically. After that, you can close the app and your swipe up action will now behave exactly the way you set it. If you don't use Samsung Wallet at all, there's an alternative. You can uninstall the app completely. Just go to your device settings, find the installed applications, and remove Samsung Wallet. This will also change the swipe up behavior without affecting anything else on your phone. And that's it. With just a few taps, you can fully customize or completely disable the Samsung Wallet swipe up action. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.